everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do one of my favorite protective styles, and that is just 4 cornrows going back. It's super easy and quick to do. A quick disclaimer, this is not a how to cornrow tutorial. If you would like one of those, please let me know in the comments down below and I would love to make you one. So if you would like to see how I get my 4 cornrows going back, just keep on watching. Okay, so I washed my hair yesterday. If you haven't already checked out my wash routine, please make sure you do. I will make sure to leave it up above. So again, I washed my hair yesterday and then I just put in some of this Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in, and then on top of that, I put this whipped yellow Shea Butter in, and then I just threw my hair up in these 2 messy buns. So I'm gonna start by taking my buns out. Obviously. And you guys, my hair is still a little damp, but that's okay. I don't mind that at all. All right, so I'm just gonna take my pick and I'm gonna pick my hair out. All right, so normally I would stop here, but I want some braids today, so I'm gonna braid my hair up. Although I'm having second thoughts. All right, let me stop. I'm gonna braid my hair. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part it down the middle. And I'm not worried if it's perfect, you guys. So here's the front and here's the back. All right, so I'm just gonna tie one side off to keep that out of my way. All right, so now I'm just gonna part this half in half. All right, so here's my part. And then I'm just gonna tie this section off. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this Camille Rose moisture milk and I'm just gonna put some of that in my hair. Take about this much. And then I'm gonna take my Camille Rose Ultimate Growth Serum. I'm just gonna add that to my part. And I'm gonna put a little on my edges because I feel like it's been helping them grow back. And just rub that in a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna detangle the section. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Shine and Jam and I'm gonna add this to the perimeter around the section. And then I'm gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna smooth it through the section. All right, so I want my braid to come from here, so I'm just gonna section this little piece off right here. And then I'm gonna start braiding. And then for my ends, what I like to do is I like to just add a little more Shea Butter and then brush that through. All right, so 1 down, 3 to go. All right, so now I'm just gonna repeat this on the other side. All right, lovies, so this is the finished look. Here's a close-up of the front. I attempted to lay my edges, but you know how that goes. And here's the back. I know it's not perfect, but again, I'm going to be in the house a lot, so no one will notice. But what I love about this style is if I need to throw on a hat, I can. Or if I want to throw a wig on and be cute, I can do that too. But for today, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tie up the ends, and then I'm going to add a cute little scrunchie to accessorize and spruce it up a little bit. This is definitely one of my favorite protective styles because it's so quick and easy. Let me know down below what your favorite protective style is. But yeah, that is the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, until next time, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.